Crystal clear sound. This combo is all about high output and low distortion. The Phenolic diaphragm provides extreme clarity in the critical mid or vocal range. Easy to mount. Compact 60 degrees by 60 degrees exponential horn and compact driver design for easy front mount installation, perfect for conditions where space is a concern. Handles it all. Low distortion vocal reproduction all the way down to 500 Hz. This car audio horn driver is ideal for mid-range and vocal reproduction. Designed for efficiency. EEW and improved design based on our D270Ph. This mid-range horn driver was improved to reproduce the all-important vocal range with authority. Upgrade today, hear the difference. Great choice for high-power public address (PA) system, small venues and gymnasiums. Car audio SPL enthusiasts use this combo for vocal reinforcement on three-way systems. A new addition to the 1-inch exit Phenolic family, the WG270Ph pairs the new and improved D270Ph's 1-inch exit Phenolic driver with the WG11-25 compact 60 degrees by 60 degrees exponential horn. This combo is all about high output, low distortion vocal reproduction all the way down to 500 Hz and is the perfect solution for use in high output PA and Pro audio on wheel systems. Top reviews from the United States. Use the capacitor. The sound quality is great, it's really loud, but I blew mine not using the capacitor, nor do I have a crossover. If I would have had those things, I believe this product would have been great.